not the full RPM, and it's super slow still.
Showing all these transmission stuff, so it's open. I wonder if we have to have the hood switch closed. Because it's throwing a code, that'd be easy to put in there. We still have the hood switch, right?
Yeah.
I wonder, since it had the air, it had an intake air code, so we can probably start it again, see if it. Because now it just has the fuel pressure low, which is from the fuel tank. Evap is from the purge. That's from the tank sensor. That's from the fan. That's from the booster one that's over there.
Yeah.
Brake pedal sensor high voltage. I don't know why that brake pedal. Starter is the starter. Cooling fan. That's the hood switch, and the battery module's the little one on the ground plug.
That? Oh, this thing that's cut. Well, it's
Plugged in.
It's plugged in.
Might just be.
There is that thing that's cut, but I'm not sure what that was even to.
Could have been in the battery one.
Start again.
Yeah. Ready?
Yep. We're just checking codes, seeing if we can get it to rev a little easier. It's got a couple things with the transmission. Now it's flashing like it's not seeing itself in drive. Not really sure exactly what's going on. I'm just trying to knock out a little bit of the codes at a time and see what changes. Now it's flashing drive.
I saw that.
Like it's not seeing itself in drive.
Wasn't doing that before?
No.
Do we have stuff unplugged before that? Well, that transmission stuff that was plugged up before that's not plugged in?
No, it's all, I mean, exactly like it was pretty much. And it wasn't flashing it earlier until we did that last clear.
On the transmission, I mean the engine.
Yeah.
Test we can do right now is POC, platinum, blow by, and fuel consumption. So we need horsepower, torque, and where we're at.
Mm-hmm.
So that's good. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 5 tests. We're at 80% mark so far.
Yeah.
That's pretty good considering where we're standing at.
Yeah. I'll just have to play with it some more. It's not showing reduced power.
No, that's a good thing.
Yeah.
I wonder if it's like it needs to see wheel movement.
It could. But it's weird because it's not flashing like traction or anything.
Just humor me on this with the left gate and the hood switch.
Yeah. Try that too.
Just because of the case study I read, it prevented them from doing that stuff, and we're pretty close.
Yep, we'll do that. See where it gets us.
And then look at the transmission. I don't know why it's flashing because yeah, you're right. It wasn't doing it beforehand. So maybe something we need to plug in that we haven't plugged in. Do we got everything plugged in for the transmission?
Except for that auxiliary pump, the coolant pump. That's it. Yeah. There's just that one bolt connector.
Go ahead and Aaron, get the exhaust hooked up so we can do longer running.
Okay.
So exhaust, that should be quick. And then one of you on exhaust, one of you kind of going through the motions with the transmission stuff. Hook up the hood switch and the trunk stuff just to get it closed and out of the system. Wonder why that brake pedal one's still.
I don't know. That's weird.
The switch is kind of finicky.
I mean, yeah, it has been weird.
all the lift gate stuff. Just you can bundle it up and just close everything. Same thing with the hood switch. Evap, yeah. Evap and brake booster just in case. Just the wire. See if we clear the codes, and Mike should just let it go for not being what it wants to see. Is that a one-way check valve where it lets air in but not it?
I think so.
Make sure that's not leaking, or at least close that off. Good news is we're still on track. You guys got the harness part is done for the main part. Besides the clean this. So now we just got to figure out these little things.